Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're new, make sure you subscribe and check out video from yesterday. Yesterday we opened a L.O.L Surprise Series 3 and she is who we got, Dawn. Say hi everybody. Hi. Hi. Oh, can't forget about Dawn. Oh, she can't talk. She has her pacifier in. Okay, well today guys, we're going to be opening a L.O.L Surprise Little Sisters Series 3. Before we get started, how about everyone guess what little sister we're going to get down below? Okay, no more waiting. I'm so excited. Let's get started. Okay, so this is going to come with 5 surprises. Let's Be Friends collection. Let's go ahead and let's get this baby open. Oh, oh, it's pink inside. It's pink. Do you guys see that? It's pink. Cool. Okay, okay. Hurry. Okay, guys, okay, I'm trying. Okay. Hold on. I'm almost done. Oh, the secret message. Rock in a door that's open. So that means out. Rock out. Okay, do this give you guys any clue of who we're getting? Now, once again, I have no idea because this is what our second L.O.L video, meaning our second doll that we're going to be opening. And don't worry, guys, we have the big surprise coming tomorrow. Okay, well, rock out. Let's set that to the side. Last one. That was the first layer. Now we have to do the second layer. Oh, look at the pretty little girls on here. And the question marks. Super cute. Come on. Okay. I'm sorry, guys. Sometimes these little suckers are... Oh, that was almost perfect. Oh, come on. Giving me a little trouble here. There we go. Okay. Oh, our sticker. Cute. So, what is this one? Is it meaning a crier? Oh, I can't seem to let it. Okay. Let's just go on with the video. Okay, look at the pretty packaging. Oh, I heart naps. That's what the wrappers say. I heart naps. I heart naps too. Z. That's so awesome and so cool. Isn't it pretty, guys?
Yeah, I really like it. I can't wait to see who's inside.
I know, I can't wait to see who's inside either. Okay, are you guys ready?
Yeah, we're ready.
Okay. That was perfect.
That was perfect.
It was perfect. Okay, now the moment of truth. We all been waiting for. Can't wait to see who our little sister is. Take the wrapper off. A pink ball.
Oh my god, it's so pink.
I know. It's so pink and pretty. Okay. I'm gonna pop this sucker open.
How do you pop it open?
I think you just pull it apart, pretty much.
Okay, we'll pull it apart.
1, 2, 3. Oh, so cute.
What did we get?
Okay, let me move the wrapper out of the way. Okay. we got another pamphlet with all the babies on, so we're going to look at that in a minute. We got one packaging that's pink with black dots. And we got another one. And we got another one. We got a total of 3 packages.
Ooh, 3 packages.
Yep, 3 packages. Okay, so let's open this for a second, just so we can get an idea of the babies that's on here, so we can see what we possibly have. Okay. They got some cute and adorable babies on here. I wonder which one we're going to get, guys. How about everyone guess down below, who do you think our little sister is? Okay. Let's open, not this one first. Let's open this one first, okay?
Okay.
All right. See what's in here. Oh, a microphone. This is so cute.
It is cute. It is cute.
So we have a little microphone. Okay. Let me move this wrapper. Which one should I open first? I'm going to put my finger on here and you guys tell me when to stop. Okay?
Stop!
Okay. Are you sure? Let's not open the baby first.
Okay, okay.
This one. So this is the one we're going to be opening next, guys. On 1, 2, 3. OMG, it's a hat. Oh, the hat is so cute. I just love it.
I want to wear the hat.
What do you mean you want to wear the hat?
Can I wear it?
Yeah, let's see what you look like with it on. Oh, you look so cute, Anna.
Thank you. Okay. I'll try it on later. Let's just get our little sister out.
Are you ready, Dawn? Okay, okay. Here's her hat. Here's her microphone. Well, maybe this is for her big sister.
Yeah, I think it's for her big sister.
Okay. So, oh, I can't open it that way. Here's the moment of truth. Don't forget to comment who you think it is down below, guys. Okay, okay. OMG, look at our baby. Oh, she's so cute, our little sister.
She is so adorable.
Oh, she have white hair. And she have purple eyes. A pink pacifier. Oh, and her diaper is silver. How cute is that, guys?
Super cute.
Trying to see, do her pacifier come out?
I don't know.
Okay, well, I don't know either. But, trying to get her microphone on. Oh, so cute. Look at her holding her microphone. So adorable. Okay. Flip this way for a sec, and I'm going to sit our little sister. I'm going to sit her on here. Got her hat. Let's move this packaging. So, our secret message was rock out. So that's the baby that we got, the little sister. And we have a sticker for her special trick. Okay, so let's look on the pamphlet and see what little sister we have. I don't see her so far.
What's her name?
Give me a second, girls. Give me a second. Oh, here she is. She's right here. Let me see if I can get to focus. Focus. Here she is with the white hair and silver diaper and pink pacifier. Little Funky QT.
Oh, little Funky QT. That's so adorable.
That is adorable, isn't it? Okay, so obviously she has something that she can do. So, we're just going to have to find out what it is. So, in order for us to see what Little Funky QT special little trick is, we're going to need to dip her in some cold water. So here I have a cold bottle of water that we're going to put in here.
You're gonna freeze her.
No, she won't freeze. She loves cold water.
Oh, okay.
So let's pour some water in here. I think that's just enough. Okay. Okay, are you ready to get in the cold water? Okay guys, look like she's ready. I'm gonna dip her diaper in. OMG! Do you guys see that? Her diaper, it had black stripes. Let's do it again. OMG! Her diaper turns silver and black with black stripes. That's so cute. Okay, let's see her pacifier. Let's put her in here good. Get her in here good, guys. Okay. OMG, look at her. Her hair turns pink, her pacifier turns pink, and she has, what's on her eye? It's something that pops up on both sides of her cheek. It looked like just a black line go through. Let's dip her in again. The water must not be very, very cold. Oh, she got it on both eyes. She got it on both eyes. Oh, you look so cute, Little Funky QT. So adorable. Oh, I just love her, guys. Okay, guys, I also want to show you what Dawn's super trick is. So let's move this over. Let's move you two girls over here.
Okay.
We're just going to move you for a second. Because I forgot to show you guys what she did yesterday. Come here, Dawn.
Okay. You can't forget about saying what I do. I have a special trick too.
Okay. Now we're going to get the pool. Let's move the wrapper out of the way. And let's fill it up with some cold water. I don't know if this is going to be enough. I hope it is. Some ice in there. Okay. Now we have water. Do you want to go swimming again, Funky QT? Okay, we're going to put Anna right there. And we're going to put Elsa right there. Are you ready?
Oh yes, I am as ready as I will ever be.
Okay, let's get your rollerblades in.
Woohoo! Woohoo! This is so fun.
So far, her little boots, they still stay yellow. They don't change. How about you roll on the side? I think I see a change.
No way.
Yes, yes, yes. I think I see a change. Get up, get up, get up. Get up, Dawn.
Get up, Dawn. Her hair turned blue in the back. Cool. Dip your other side. It turned blue on the other side too.
Here, let's take your headband off. We'll put that back on. So far, her hair turns blue. Okay, let's do your face. Her lips, and she get makeup on her eyes, guys. She looks so pretty. Let's get her in some more. Okay, we got to move you for a second, so we can get Dawn some more water at the bottom. We need more water. Oh, she looks so cute.
I just love my blue hair, guys.
You do? We love it too. It's so pretty.
Yeah, it's so pretty.
Okay. I really love my L.O.L Surprise Doll, Dawn. And I love little Funky QT. I think they're so cute. Her hair is turning pink too. That's so cute. Oh, you're gonna jump in again. Oh. You guys are having so much fun, it looks like.
Yeah, we're having so much fun. I'm going to skate in the pool.
Okay, go ahead and skate. Okay.
Wait, I want to show you something else. Yeah.
Oh my God, do it again, Dawn.
Yeah.
We know, you're a spitter. So, let's show you guys her hair again, what it does. It turns blue, and it stays pink in the front. Nothing pops up over her eyes except her makeup. It looks like, I'm not for sure, but it looks like just some wing eyeliner come on her face. It's really pretty, but I think that is all she do. Okay, one last thing, we have to take her outfit off.
Why are you taking her outfit off?
Because there's something that appears on her. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, now that we got her outfit off, let's put her in the water.
Woohoo!
She has a swimsuit. Oh, that's so cute. Let's turn her on. And a tattoo back here. That's really pretty. Super cute. I love your bathing suit, Dawn.
Thank you so much. I love it too.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe and leave a thumbs up for Dawn and Little Funky QT. We'll see you in our next video. Bye.